Are you tired of your factory car speakers sounding flat, weak, or just plain boring, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars upgrading your system? The good news is you don't have to. Today I'm showing you the best aftermarket door speakers you can get for under $50. That's right. Budget-friendly solutions that deliver clear highs, punchy mids, and decent bass without draining your wallet. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend road tripper, or just someone who wants their music to sound alive again, this list has something for everyone. So watch until the end to find which budget door speakers suit your needs. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews, and check the links in the description for the best deals on these door speakers. Once you are done watching, leave a comment telling me which one you'd choose for your ride. At number 5, we have the KENWOOD KFC16666S car stereo speaker. This is a 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speaker that delivers a peak power of 300 watts, an RMS of 30 watts, with a frequency response ranging from 40 Hz to 22 kHz. It features a polypropylene cone with a treated cloth surround, and it comes with a balanced dome tweeter for clear high frequencies. The impedance is 4 ohms and the sensitivity is rated at 90 decibels, making it efficient enough to work well with factory head units or aftermarket stereos. What I love most about the KENWOOD KFC16666S is its balance. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with bass, nor does it leave the mids and highs behind. Instead, it delivers a smooth, consistent sound that makes every genre, from hip-hop to classical, sound enjoyable. The clarity of vocals is especially impressive, and for under $50, it feels like a premium upgrade over stock speakers. These are best for drivers who want a straightforward, reliable replacement that instantly improves their car audio without needing an amplifier. The only shortcoming is that the bass isn't as deep as some might want, but honestly, for the price, it's still absolutely worth it. At number 4, we have the JVC CS-J620 two-way coaxial car speakers. These are also 6.5-inch speakers with a peak power handling of 300 watts and RMS of 30 watts. They feature a mica cone woofer paired with a polyether imide balanced dome tweeter, giving them a wide frequency response, from 35 Hz to 22 kHz. With a sensitivity of 92 decibels and 4 ohm impedance, they're designed to be compatible with most car audio systems. The shallow mount design makes installation easier, especially in tight spaces. The standout feature of the JVC CS-J620 is its crisp high-frequency reproduction. Cymbals, strings, and vocal harmonies come through with a sparkle that makes your music feel alive. I also appreciate how easy they are to install, even for beginners who might be intimidated by car audio upgrades, and how their shallow mount design makes them versatile enough to fit into a wide range of vehicles without hassle. The clarity at higher volumes is impressive, maintaining detail without distortion, which adds confidence that these speakers will keep performing consistently. These are best for people who love detail in their music and want a speaker that highlights the highs without distortion. The one drawback is that the bass can feel a little light compared to others, but considering the clarity and ease of installation, they're still a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have the Pioneer TS-F11634R two-way speakers. These 6.5-inch speakers deliver a peak power of 200 watts and RMS of 25 watts. They feature a polypropylene cone woofer and a piezoelectric tweeter with a frequency response of 31 Hz to 16 kHz. The sensitivity is rated at 88 decibels, and the impedance is 4 ohms. Pioneer designed these with a shallow basket for easy installation in most vehicles. What I love about the Pioneer TS-F11634R is its warmth. The mids are rich and full, making vocals and instruments sound natural and engaging. They don't try to push extreme highs or lows, but instead focus on delivering a balanced, pleasant sound that makes long drives more enjoyable. The smoothness of the audio makes every playlist feel comfortable, and the consistency across different genres means you can switch from rock to jazz without losing quality. These are best for casual listeners who want a reliable upgrade from factory speakers without breaking the bank. The only shortcoming is that they don't get as loud as some of the other options, but for everyday listening, they're still worth every penny. At number 2, we have the Skar Audio FSX654 Pro Audio Mid-Range Loudspeaker. This is a 6.5-inch mid-range speaker with a peak power of 300 watts and RMS of 150 watts. It features a ferrite magnet, a paper cone and a cloth surround, with a frequency response from 100 Hz to 8 kHz. The sensitivity is an impressive 91.5 dB, and the impedance is 4 ohms. This speaker is built for professional-level audio setups, with a focus on delivering powerful mid-range frequencies. The Skar Audio FSX654 is a beast when it comes to mid-range clarity. Vocals, guitars, and instruments cut through with authority, making your music sound dynamic and alive. It pairs well with subwoofers, filling in the mids that subs often miss, and how it maintains consistency even at higher volumes without distortion. The tonal accuracy is impressive, giving every track a professional edge that makes listening feel more immersive and engaging. These are best for enthusiasts who want to build a more complete audio system and need strong mid-range support. The only shortcoming is that it doesn't produce deep bass on its own, but when combined with a subwoofer, it becomes an unbeatable part of your setup. Finally, at number 1, we have the DS18 Pro GM6 loudspeaker. This is a 6.5-inch mid-range speaker with a peak power of 480 watts and 140 watts RMS. It features a high-strength ferrite magnet, a paper cone, and a cloth-edge surround, with a frequency response from 98 Hz to 10 kHz. The sensitivity is rated at 92 decibels, and the impedance is 8 ohms. DS18 designed this speaker for high output performance, making it ideal for competitive audio setups or anyone who wants serious volume and clarity. What I love most about the DS18 Pro GM6 is its sheer power. This speaker can get loud, really loud, without losing clarity. Vocals and instruments sound sharp and defined, and it brings an energy to your music that makes you feel like you're at a live concert. The dynamic range feels wide and immersive, with every beat hitting harder and every note carrying more presence, so even casual listening feels exciting. These are best for people who want to make a statement with their car audio, whether you're showing off at a meet or just want to enjoy your music at full blast. The only shortcoming is that it requires more power to reach its full potential, but if you pair it with the right setup, it's absolutely worth it. And those are top 5 best door speakers under $50 that prove budget doesn't mean compromise. The KENWOOD KFC16666S gives you balanced sound for everyday listening. The JVC CSJ620 shines with crisp highs. The Pioneer TS-F1634R delivers warm mids for natural vocals. The Skar Audio FSX654 brings pro-level mid-range power. And the DS18 Pro GM6 dominates with sheer output and clarity. Together, they show that whether you want detail, warmth, or volume, there's a budget-friendly solution waiting for you. My final recommendation is this. If you're after an easy upgrade that instantly improves your daily commute, go with KENWOOD or JVC. If you're building a more serious system, Skar and DS18 are unbeatable for the price. And if you just want reliable all-round performance, Pioneer is your safe bet. No matter which you choose, you'll be amazed at how much better your music sounds without spending more than $50. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future reviews and audio tips. Check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on these speakers, and leave a comment letting me know which one you choose for your car. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.